Good evening to church mates. My name is Camilo Andres Ortiz. I'm 30 years old, and I'm recording this video in order to perform the activities requested in the item 1.2 for this point. So the first step is just record a video. What I'm reading in this moment here in the screen is record a video where you appear showing your ID. That's why I have my ID here. This is my ID just to check it. Okay, so I'm going to forward with the personal presentation. Spell in English your full name according to the alphabet. So, as I was saying before, my name is Camilo. I'm gonna spell it for you. So, C as in Charlie, A as in Alpha, M as in Mike, I as in India, L as in London, O as in Oscar. That's my name. So, that's pretty much it for the name. So, for the second, for the B item, so it says that description of your house, then describe in English the place where you live or place where you work using that is on that are in vocabulary related to this topic. In order to help you, you can share. Okay, so for this point, so I'm not going to use my house, but I'm gonna use one of the screens here for from Finca Raíz. I'm gonna try to describe a little bit more here. I'm gonna start doing it with the Uh, so this is one of the bedrooms. This is the bedroom for my daughter, one of my daughters, I will say here. So it just have uh, two pillows. There is a wardrobe, one door, and there is no much things here. I'm gonna. This is the main room, the other bedroom. That this is just for me and for my wife. As you can see in the right side, you can see a rest chair. It is just for when we are watching TV with another person or something like this. And at the left side, you can see the bath. You can go in there and everything you have for the bath. Here we're seeing part of I would say part of the restroom. You can see in the front of us, there is one lamp, there is one camera, there is one TV, there is one chair or another sofa, something like this. At the top of this screen, you can see the bookcase. This is just to set my. This is just one of my save here. Okay, this is the restaurant, a picture at all. So you can see at the right of the bookcase and at the right of the TV, there is one bar case. Uh, just say wine or something like this. This is the study room. Here we have three shirts. The black one is for me. Just when I start working here, I just bring my laptop and start to work with these shirts. The blue one is for my wife, and the one that is in the middle of this room is for my daughter. So I have two daughters, but one of them used to use this shirt. There is one TV. I really don't know what is this part right over here. There is an L table just to put our PCs and whatever we are using. And at the top of this screen, we have another case as just to save several things that we are using every day. Um, That's all I would say. Oh, so I just want to describe here that we have the restroom mixed up with the dining room. As you can see here we have as you can see here we have the table with four chairs. That's all. Yes, I get that's all. So I live in Madalena. That's my neighborhood. Okay, I think that's pretty much it for now. That's what I have to describe for this video, and I hope you enjoyed, and thank you for your time. Bye bye.